Load your family into the 2020 Nissan Kicks. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.